I don't know who needs to hear this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Today is my off day. I am about running errands. Prior to that, I submitted a business contract for my online business. Not so long from then, I got a buyer, making number 16th buyer for the month of July. Chai! God know they sleep. Oh my goodness. These are people who have registered with their $149 to access our business program. You see this thing called procrastination and excuses? It's a very bad company. Most of us go through that. However, do not make procrastination and excuses to be part of your daily life. Because if you do, hey, trust me, you will find it so hard to accomplish things. There is no way you can harvest without planting. You see me celebrating my business achievements? It's because I planted 2 years ago by taking action to start. I worked hard and trusted God to bless my hustle. Instead of making excuses like, I am not good at this, I'm not good at that, I don't have time, what will my family say? What about you change that mindset and start doing something little each day towards accomplishing your goals? Ask questions and learn from those who are already there. You will accomplish a lot through these steps. Stop blaming other people. Stop blaming your employer. Be accountable for your actions and take those baby steps towards changing your life. God bless you.